Okay guys, I've been over at the cabin decorating all evening and it's really looking pretty much like Christmas. So I thought I would show you a few pictures at the end, but it's getting a little dark. This is my cookie jar, and look, gingerbread men. And it's gingerbread cookies. Isn't that awesome? I wanted something that's kind of nostalgic, and I'll probably add a few more cookies to that, but that's what I found in the store the other day. Had to go for it. My red candles with a little bit of red and pine cones. This. I bought these two because I remember both of these candies. When I was young, both of them were very, very popular. The ribbon candies, the old-fashioned mix, I guess, and the field candies. These are hard candies with jelly-type filling inside. It's awesome. So I put them in this little bucket. They're not open, but I have my candies, my old-fashioned candies. Got our oranges that came off of our orange tree. We've got peppermint sticks, and everywhere throughout the cabin I've got some peppermint sticks added. And the theme is the black and white checked with red all throughout the cabin. And one thing I found I had to have was the pizzles. I'd never seen them in stores before, but the story behind the pizzles, which it's just a sugar cookie, I guess you would say, within a pretty design. A friend of mine made pizzles one year. She has a pizzle machine, and they were the best tasting thing. Fresh, they're awesome. These are just like a little thin sugar cookie. They're good, but hers were awesome. And when my youngest daughter got married, we made pizzles for her wedding. These make beautiful wedding crackers, guys. They're cookies. They're awesome. Now my fires almost went out. I've had a fire going all afternoon as I decorated, and I've got everything looking pretty good, looking neat and reasonable. And I'm going to show you a bunch of up-close pictures of a lot of it. But we even decorated Bucky. Danny's chair, his nuts that he likes to sit and crack at night, and my chair. And then we have a little bit on the stairs. I didn't want to put too much on the stairs because we're probably going to be moving them anyways to go up and down the stairs, but I'd have a little joy on the stairs. And I did put a wreath up there. I did not put any lights because mainly we're off grid, and I'd have had to buy more lights that run on batteries and more batteries. But I did put a wreath up there. So guys, I wanted to show you just a little bit of what's going on in the cabin. It's getting dark. I'm headed home. Danny and I'll probably come back and spend the night and turn on the lights on the Christmas tree and listen to Christmas music. And wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Over the next couple of weeks, enjoy the holidays, enjoy the season, and most of all, enjoy your families. God bless.